my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will learn 10 important idioms that helps to make our sentences more colorful and full of expression. If you are visiting first time to my channel, please consider to subscribe. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First idiom of today's video is a big cheese, meaning an important or a powerful person in a group or family. For example, after years of hard work, she finally became the big cheese at the company. Next example is, when it comes to decision making, Mom is definitely the big cheese in our house. Next idiom is a bird's eye view. Meaning, it has two meanings. Number one is a view from a very high place, which allows you to see a large area. And the second meaning is a broad or overall perspective. For example, from the top of the mountain, we got a bird's eye view of the entire city. And the second example is, the report provided a bird's eye view of the market trends over past year. Next idiom is a cock and bull story, meaning a story or an explanation which is obviously not true. For example, she gave a cock and bull story to explain her lateness. And the second example is, I don't believe her cock and bull story about meeting the celebrity at a cafe. Fourth number idiom is at the 11th hour, meaning be too late. For example, he finished his homework at the 11th hour. Second example is, we cancelled the event at the 11th hour due to the bad weather. Next idiom is ask for the moon, meaning to ask for too much. For example, she asked for the moon by wanting a brand new car. Second example is, it's not fair to ask for the moon every time. Another idiom is an early bird, meaning someone who gets up, arrives or acts before the usual or expected time. For example, as an early bird, she enjoys the quiet mornings before the world wakes up. Second example is, she is always the early bird at meetings, ready with ideas. Next idiom is at the drop of a hat, meaning immediately, without delay, without any hesitation, without any planning, and for no obvious reason. For example, they decided to go on a trip at the drop of a hat. Next example is she will jump in to help at the drop of the hat. Next idiom is a cuckoo in the nest, meaning an unwelcome intruder in a place or situation. For example, Rahul is a good boy, but he is seen by his peers as a cuckoo in the nest. Next example is Jane felt like a cuckoo in the nest at the formal dinner party. Then, at the crack of the dawn, meaning very early in the morning. For example, we left at the crack of the dawn to catch the first train. Second example is I love the peace and quiet of the world at the crack of the dawn. Next and last idiom of today's video is a game of two equal halves, meaning a sudden change in the circumstances. For example, life is a game of two equal halves, joy and sorrow. And the second example is the exam was a game of two equal halves. Half was easy and half was difficult. Thanks for watching the video. We will discuss more idioms in the next video.